Hello student, today I gonna show you how to convert mixed fraction to decimal numbers. First we can get fraction like this, 6, 5, 4, 2, 4. I show you how to convert this to decimal number. You can see this 6 we can write same as this 6, and we can multiply this 4 in 10. We got answer 40, and we can divide it by 5. Now you have answer 8. This is answer for this mixed fraction to decimal number. Okay, now let's consider another example. 5, 6, 3. This 5 you can write same as the 5, and this 3 you can multiply it by 10 and divided by 6. Answer is 5. 5.5 is answer of this fraction. Okay, now you can try this one, and you can comment your answer in the comment section.